Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fabian, so as fair attitude, fair, all of that. If this is your very first time coming to this channel, hello, hi, welcome to my channel. Please do watch my other videos, and if you do like what you see, please do press that subscribe button. If you're an OG returning subscriber, hello, hi, gang, welcome back to yet another exciting video. Alright, as you can tell by my voice, non-existent. I am still sick. If you watched my previous vlog, please do go watch that vlog to catch up and come to this vlog. But my flu started bad this time, and this week I was fighting for my life, but I also didn't have anything important to do, so that's why. But I've been fighting so bad. Yeah, I only drank Civitab, but that has not been helping. So yeah, I got my nails done yesterday. It was quite late, so I couldn't start the vlog because it was at 7 and that is very late. And yeah, I'm also fighting a flu, so yeah, that hence even I'm sleeping with such long sleeping clouds. But this is I don't know if it's going to be a spend the day with me or spend 2 days with me, but yeah, it's going to be today and Saturday, and then I'll have to edit on Saturday so it can be up on Sunday. I do have I don't know if it's going to happen today as well or next weekend, but that will be for another vlog if it happens next weekend. But if it does happen if it does happen today, then it will be in the vlog. But there's a PK dinner that my dad's church has invited us to. If you do not know, well, the OG Sabis know, because I used to speak of this in my old vlogs, but now since all those vlogs are gone, I am a PK. My dad is a preacher, not a pastor, but a preacher. So that's why my brothers and I are invited to the PK lunch, dinner, something. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to happen today or next week, but if it does happen today, I will vlog that. So for now, I am home. What is the time actually? My PC is pop, but yeah, it's 9 something, 10 something. I do have clothes to fold because I did laundry yesterday, so I am going to fold my clothes, eat breakfast, check what is on my school groups. I try not to check early in the morning because school groups give people a different type of stress that I don't want. So yeah, I try to read my school groups after I've done doing devotion and just processing my thoughts for the day. But yeah, I'm going to fold my clothes now and then go have breakfast and then see what the day holds. But there's nothing specific that I'm doing today, but if I do happen to go to the PK dinner today, that will be in the vlog. So I just thought I'd vlog today, man, because I wanted to vlog. And my phone is even full. Me vlogging and my phone is full. But yeah, that's life. That's life. It was even supposed to be a maintenance vlog as well, but I'm not sure if I'm even going to get my lashes done this weekend. But if I do get my lashes done this weekend, the title is gonna change, okay? But let me fold my clothes and then make my bed, fold my clothes, go eat breakfast, take a shower. So from now moving forward, I'm not gonna talk much. Like, I'm just gonna be in my zone because it's a lot of clothes that I have to fold actually. So yeah.
Sipping my kombucha on a rooftop. Smoking blue dream on my Kama Sutra. Life is but a dream for a dark-skinned bitch like me. Life gets dark when you're dark like me. Times get hard with a heart this big. Mouths get fed when your ass gets big. Count my sheep, then I catch my seeds. I don't read y'all tweets, I believe y'all prayers. Don't need weed to be 10 feet tall. I don't need keys when I knock down walls. Been pushing pieces, bathroom stalls. Why sell my soul when I know I'm God? Puppy in the bag, levitating, doing meditation. And me girl, get up. Looking all preparation. Fuck a limitation. And me girl, get up. Somehow I know that I'll everything is mine. You always do that. I know no more excuses, no more excuses. Shorty, life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. Sipping my kombucha on a rooftop. Smoking blue dream on my Kama Sutra. Life is but a dream for a dark-skinned bitch like me. Life gets dark when you're dark like me. Times get hard with a heart this big. Mouths get fed when your ass gets big. Count my sheep, then I catch my seeds. I don't read y'all tweets, I believe y'all prayers. Don't need weed to be 10 feet tall. I don't need keys when I knock down walls. Been pushing pieces, bathroom stalls. Why sell my soul when I know I'm God? Puppy in the bag, everything.
Anyways, I just got done eating dinner. I want to close off the vlog now. It's been quite a day. We've been quite busy, okay? We've been quite busy today. So I just want to close out the vlog. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for coming so far. I do need to lotion my hands as well. Sorry to offering, but thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for sticking by. And if you have come this far, please subscribe. Oh, ngiyacela, I'm begging you. Please! Can we get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month at least? Please, I'm begging. And then we can get 1,000 by the end of June. Light work, right? Right. I believe in you guys. But I will see you guys in the next one. I am going to... Oh, I was able to download before I close off this vlog. I was able to download the Colleen Hoover It Ends With Us book. So I am going to be reading that. My screen time, I am way past my screen time for today. Like way past my screen time. I have set a screen time for myself at my big age, yes, because if you don't set a screen time for yourself, you will get into scrolling, that nighttime scrolling, and then you're up until 2 a.m. and now you don't wake up on time to do your workouts. But I am going to read the book now. I know I said my screen time ends like now, but there's basically nothing on here. Like my WhatsApp is not connected, it's just my YouTube, but I usually watch my YouTube on my big laptop because where's that spider coming from? But anyways, I watch my YouTube and my other things, my school documents and everything else is on this laptop. So on this laptop is just basically where I want to start reading my books, and I also do have these 2 books that I want to read as well. Yeah, but I really want to read this one, but I'm going to read this one after I finish reading this one, because this one is a read that I wanted to read for a very long time. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you guys down. Toodles. Alright. Toodles.